Okay, people, this will be a very short video about how I repaired this turntable. This is Yamaha px2. I believe this service should apply also for px1 and px3. Anyway, when I got this turntable or gramophone, nothing worked. I mean, not even a rotation of the motor. It just went, the arm went this way, stop, muerto di crepa. So let's go first how it works. I have it already on, and then you press, let's say, 17. It's a sacrificial piece, so this arm should go to position number 17, which is almost to the end of standard 33. Cut. It's going completely from the start, and the motor will stop. Okay, I'll stop it so it's faster. Same works with 25. 25 should be somewhere here. Cut. The 30 is working the same. The setting how motor going fast, you have potentiometer right under here. This you have the on the manual description how you calibrate it. You have 4 pots, so that should be easy and understandable. Arm up, you have 2 speeds, so like slow press, hard press, like on professional DSLR cameras. Arm down, arm up. Okay, let's go. Arm down, and then here go for start. Okay, now I'll show you the real trick. Motor stops when the arm comes to the end. The real trick. Why it didn't work? That was my stupidity. And it actually says in the manual. I just missed it. You can download the manual from the internet. Okay. Let's start. Listen to motor. Cluck, cluck, cluck. And if you see quartz light, it's blinking. I don't know if you can see on the camera. I'll zoom it in. You see? This is all the time that is working. So first my focus was to repair the motor itself. 1 second, put this back to the place. And I did not pay attention to the arm itself. I said first I fix the motor rotation, then I continue. And if I try it again, cut. Repeat is just when it comes to the end, and yeah, that I forgot. So then was the arm focus. You will find on forums many descriptions. Well, not many, but some. Okay. For example, this guy mentioned his repair on transistor. Now, the more light you get, the fully it's open or close. In my case, they were close and there were old red LEDs inside. I'll put again on the video. You see, he put LED inside and then bent it. This is not good reparation, I'll come to that. And if you see, I have blue LEDs. You see, maybe I should turn off the light again. 1, 2, 3. You see, I change all the 3 because this is like 12 cents to replace it, and if you do it once and that's it. Okay, and how to repair it? Let me take one LED. No, actually I have made it already. Because I tested with different colors. The red doesn't work, the green doesn't work, the yellow doesn't work. New ones, I mean, not used. But blue does. I have not tested with the white ones because I just don't have it. Okay. Let me see if I can focus that close enough. This is kind of an important part. This is a normal LED, how it looks. You see on the back side little ups, so it's top, and it's got round front. Okay? And this is the LED, how you have to make it. Okay. You see? This is the same size, 3 mm diameter, as you have seen the yellow one before. What I have done is basically take the pliers and cut away. I need to come more inside to the opto sensor. So I cut with pliers the ball part away, and for the back side I also cut it away. If you can see on the back where the legs coming out, the pins, it doesn't have any flat part. The reason is I could push it more inside and bend legs closer to the plastic. And this is important because you don't have enough space. You see, if you find this web page, you will have picture C. What I have is just plop, thump out. That's it. Then was the second problem. Take paper inside, you will find out if it's working or not working. If you test it as a diode, put this paper inside, finished. All the three sensors worked, but the arm still didn't move. Location of the size of the plate did not work, nothing. So before this I measured all the voltages on this main chip. Most of them were correct, except few of them. This number 2, 3, 4 pin, that is actually was 12 volts on it, if I remember correctly. And that is actually those three opto sensors. They need to be closed or open, the other way around. It's marked here P1, P2 and P3. That was one thing. And the second thing was, when I changed this LEDs, then was normal, that was fine. And I measure all the transistor voltages, you have written here. But transistor 5, 7 and 6 was out of the place. 2 of the voltages was correct, the third one was nothing. And you have 2 PNP and 1 NPN transistor. PNP, PNP, NPN. So I had to brush my knowledge about PNP transistor because I never fully understood it. Now I can understand them. Anyway, it went all the way back to read switch, which is exactly behind here. It's actually open. You need to put this plate down and it's inside here. What was wrong? It just was not activated. So I did not get the activation on chip, which was this chip. I mean pin number on the leg. Yes, this one. I think it's 11. Yeah, 11.8 it says here. I had 0 basically. Read switch is activated, you get 12 volt here. And that was basically it. What I had to do is just physically move the read switch. The read switch was here and the magnet was here, so I had to pull it away from the PCB and closer to this. After this, normal operation. And they are magnificent turntables. Too bad they are not more known. They are better than most of these days what they produce. Bye!